Welcome back to the Frenchie's world. Yes, it's me, Frenchie, and I'm back at it again with another video. A video for who? A video for you guys. Yes, my videos will always be for you guys. You guys see it in the titles down below. Yes, you guys do. I am doing... I gotta get some more of these. But I gotta get some Shin. I'm eating Shin noodles. Shin noodles. It's the spicy flavor. And I think Shin is the spicy one. There is no other Shin. It's just the spice. And yeah. So, and then I have garlic tilapia. I mean, not tilapia. I mean garlic salmon right here. Garlic salmon and Shin spicy noodles right here. Yes. So you guys, before I dive in, I'm going to say my prayers, and then I'm going to dive right in. And yeah, so Heavenly Father, thank you for this food. Thank you for this day. Thank you for this time of joy, all that I'm receiving. I'm about to eat this food and throw down, and thank you for another blessed day for me to see and to live through. And guide us all, guide us, my friends, family, acquaintances, long-term friends, people I don't see no more, enemies. Bless us all, show us the right path of joy, show us the right directions to go, put us in the right positions, you know, to level up and do good and great things in life, and not to hurt ourselves in this world that we live in called Earth. And bless the people with food and shelter. You bless them both on the same side of having those same quality things, you know, just to move forward and get to where they need to be at in life, because it's tough out here in this world. It's tough in these streets, you know. Life is tough, you know. It's tough. Even if you're rich, it's still tough. Even if you're middle class, it's tough. Even if you're on your low class, it's tough. Even if you're at your lowest, it's tough. But yes, just bless us, show us the right path, show us the right direction to go, the right lane and everything, to make the right decisions, because we know from right from wrong. We know what's not good and what's bad. So yeah, through you, Jesus. Yes, you're the real one. You are real, Jesus. You actually lived on earth. Yes, you really, really did. Amen. All right. Oh, before I get into this food, you guys, girl, listen. Go down below and like, share, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell button so you guys can be notified at any given time for like, share, comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell button so you guys can be notified at any given time whenever I upload a video to my channel. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot what to say right there. But yes, you guys, yes. So, you guys, I'm going to put some soy sauce on this. I'm not going to use that Korean style sauce on this, you know, that what's it called? Oh, I'm about to put some on here. That PF Change made. Nope, not today, because I don't need that on everything. It's not like it's sriracha. I'm be honest, you guys, it's not like sriracha. It is not like sriracha at all. But it's good. It's good. Even if I put it on this, it will be good. But I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. So you guys, I went to the post office today, and I took a lift over there. Oh my gosh, you guys, I get motion sickness fast. I get motion sickness easily I get motion sickness very, very easily. I could play a video game. I could look at a quality of TV if it's 4K, 8K, 6K. I get motion sickness. Even on like roller coasters, even the virtual gaming where you put the glasses on, I get motion sickness in there. I get easily motion sickness. Easily. So I was in the lift ride and I was feeling sick. I was feeling sick. Even coming back, I took another lift, feeling really, really, really sick. Never been on a boat trip or been on a boat in general. Like I've been on a boat like on a lake, but not like directly on the ocean. And yeah, you guys, I don't know. I don't know if I'm pretty sure I will get motion sickness, but I took air flights, you know, and I don't get sick in there. Don't jinx myself, Frenchie. Don't jinx yourself. Cause those couple of times you went on the airplane, you didn't get motion sickness, but what if next time you do? Yeah, but I just haven't. But yeah, I get super motion sickness. Yep, I need to do this. So, you guys, I know you guys been like looking at my hair and stuff. And you're like, ooh, girl, your hair. Now, I told you guys this in the last video. Well, I don't know if it was the last or the one before. The last video I uploaded of me doing the mukbang. But yeah, my flat irons and hot combs, I have it all electric. You know, I plug it in the wall and then it heats up like that. I don't know, I just can't get it like straight. So what I'm going to do is I already purchased some stuff. I think I already told you guys this already, but I already purchased some new hot combs and flat irons, and I have this oil thing that's it's called chai oil, and it's for your hair, and then you can use your hot comb or the flat iron on it, and I got that too. It's sitting in my Amazon cart, and I'm planning on getting it next month. Next month, I'm planning on to get those, and yeah, and I hope it gets straight. I hope I can get my hair straight. Because the only time I'll get my hair straight is when I go to a hairstylist. And they get my hair straight. But with me, I don't know. It's not working, or there's a technique that I'm not doing correctly, or there's a technique that I don't know of. But yeah. And I did my reviews too. I did my reviews as well on YouTube, and I look at the review list and what people say about the combs, the hot comb and the flat irons. And I watch videos, and there's this one comb that I'm going, it's like a hot, it's 2-in-1. You know, you get the rat tail comb and you comb your hair out and then you flat iron it. Well, this one it's actually 3, matter of fact. No, it's not a flat iron. It's a hot comb and like a rat tail comb in one, and then it combs it out, and then it heats it down. I don't know what you call it, and then gets it straight. And I watched some reviews on it, and there's some African American females that used it, and their hair came out straight, and I was like, ooh, okay. And then I added on to my cart, and I looked at the reviews on Amazon, and everything got 4.5 stars, 5 stars. So I was like, okay. And everybody said it works good. It's one of the best things they have used so far. They tried so many different things, so many different hot combs, flat irons, and this one product, this one machine that I'm gonna get for my hair to get my hair straight is what I have in my shopping cart on Amazon, and it's sitting there until next month. For next month. You guys, just to let you know, there's so much videos that I had like filmed and have not put out at all. Like, I filmed so much videos where you guys have not got to see, and yeah, and there are some videos that I had like uploaded where I just look at myself and I see what I'm doing, and then my my look in the video, I'll be like, ooh, why did I upload that? And a lot of times I just keep it up there. I never really take them down. I took down some videos, but I don't know, I don't like taking down videos once they're already up. But yeah, I have a lot of videos that you guys have not seen. I did some vlogs. I did some mukbangs. I did some challenges. Some collab videos, but I don't really get too much collab on my channel. Like, I don't, but there's people out there who I can collab with, but a lot of times I've been wanting to really collab with YouTubers, because when you see me collab with other people, I have to ask them to see if they want to do it. Like, oh yeah, do this video with me. And sometimes they'll be like, nah, not right now. No, I don't want to be on camera. So I want to really collab with YouTubers. And I collab with 3 YouTubers on my channel. Other than that, I just haven't been collabing with actual people that likes doing YouTube videos. And another thing too is I've been hearing a lot of YouTubers on YouTube saying like, oh yeah, well, most people I hang out with don't like doing YouTube videos. And it's true. People don't like doing YouTube videos. So I met this girl at a Pride festival, and it was in October of last year. And she said she just does her videos. She doesn't even ask. It's like she doesn't even like ask for people to be in the video or whatever. She just does her YouTube videos whenever she feels like it's the time to do, or it's a good moment to do. And I was like, huh, maybe I should do that too. But I don't know, because you got some people out there that would be like, no, don't put that camera on. Like, no, not right now. No. And it's like, oh, shoot. Like, don't put the camera out right now. No. Like, I don't want to be on camera. I don't want people to hear my voice. I don't want people to see me in the background. No. Like, you know, so. And I've been around people like that, too. I'm just like, you're not even in the video. I mean, you might be walking past in the background, but don't even like that. Just, no, don't. Yeah. Now, there's this app called Meetup. I know you guys heard of the Meetup app. It's been around for what, 6 years? I think 6, 7 years. And yeah, you guys, so I was supposed to meet up with people that are YouTube contenters, but I never had a, whenever I was like going to go, there's always something coming in between, and I'll be like, what the heck is this? Like, oh, you know, it stopped me from going. And then, yeah, so I was gonna go this year, but I mean, I still can. to go meet up with YouTube contenters, you know, creative contenters on Meetup, but I still can when I heal, but no, nothing doesn't interfere of what I'm trying to do. And 2019, I got in a car accident in Atlanta, Georgia, so I was never able to. From there, and then the pandemic happened in 2020. I was like, what the heck? And here we are. Pandemic. Our lives has changed by nature. It's a worldwide thing. It's a worldwide thing. This pandemic. And it changed everybody's life on this earth forever. So, you know, it got a little open now. It got more open now where we can be out in public. So, I'm gonna when I heal, I'm gonna meet up with some people on the meetup and see what they are up to, and see if they want to collab or show some ideas, speak about some things that they've been doing on their YouTube channel. But mostly and honestly, I want to collab with people. I want to collab. And like certain cities and states have like their own crew of content creators, I want to bring that to Vegas. As long as I am in Vegas, I want to create it, Even though I want to move back to California and be in San Diego, but we'll see when that happens. I just gotta have faith. But yeah, so I want to bring content. I want to have content creators in Vegas and get it popular. Make it very, very popular. Because I'm going to tell you guys where there's a lot of YouTubers at. Like literally. You got YouTubers in California, Texas. Yeah, you got YouTubers in California, Texas, Florida, Atlanta, Georgia, just Georgia in general, and New York. You got a lot of YouTubers. Yep. And I want to make it happen in Vegas. And then when I get to that point where I can move to California, I'm moving to California. And I want to do the same thing in San Diego. Because we see a lot of content creators in like LA. Like, I'm not going to say there's not content creators in San Diego, but you don't really see a lot of collabs going on, out there. So, you guys, on YouTube, honestly, where it's really big on YouTube, where creators are at, is New York, Florida, Georgia, California, Texas. Oh yeah, I already said that already. I don't know why I'm repeating myself, but yeah, that's right. Now I'm trying to make Vegas another one. I'm trying to make Vegas a good spot, but I just gotta get myself out there and yeah, and just do it. What? Let's see. Only time could tell when I have that face. And the thing is too, no, because the YouTubers I met out here, they do be doing it. They do invest in themselves, and there's not much you really need to do to invest in yourself. Not really that much. But yeah, we're gonna see how we could get this going. You know, because I want YouTube to have their VidCon out here, like I have it in California, and they have it in Georgia, Georgia, and I think in Austin, Texas as well. They need to have it out here too. Out here. And make it happen. Like dang Vegas, but video content. You know? For YouTube. I think it will, and it needs to. And it could be like at like the VidCon centers. Like the convention centers, they could be like over there. That's a VidCon. Exactly what YouTube is, and have their There are things when they have their convention center things going on. But no, but seriously, like it could be at the convention centers out here and boom. Oh my gosh, come on. So, you guys, I've been having my head down a lot this video. Not directly looking at you guys and talking to you guys through this camera, but I apologize. But girl, I'm about to go. I am done. I'm gonna show you guys. Boom. I am done. And yeah. So my loyal subscribers, stay tuned for my next videos that are coming up very, very soon for you guys. And you guys got any suggestions on what next videos I should do in this video like this or many other contents you would like to see, just put it down in the comment sections down below. And the new subscribers, please do the same thing too. If you have any suggestions on what next videos I have coming up very, very soon. I mean, no. Yeah, do the same. If you guys have any suggestions on what next videos I should do for you guys like this or any other content, just put it down in the comment sections down below. And stay tuned for the next videos that are coming up very, very soon for you guys as well. And the new people that came across this video and think this video is very interesting and like to see some more videos like this or many other videos you'd like to see me do of content in the Frenchie's world. Yes, me, Frenchie, in the Frenchie's world. Well, please go down below and like, share, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell button so you guys can be notified at any given time whenever I upload a video to my channel. Peace.